Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a folder and share in Google Drive. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. What you want to do, you want to go wherever in your Google Drive that you want to create a folder. So let me click on my drive here, and let's say I want to create a folder right here. So I'm going to simply right click here and click on new folder, or I can simply click a new button on the upper left hand side and choose new folder. And let's say I want to name this folder Andrew, right? And then I'm going to go ahead and click and create. Now, once I create this folder, I can simply go ahead and share this. In order to do that, I can simply right click in the folder, then go down to share, and I have the option to click on share. And here I can choose if I want to share it with everyone who has the link to this folder. I can simply just remove the restriction and choose anyone with the link, and I can just simply share this link and click and done. So let me go ahead and do that. Then I can share this folder with anyone who has the link. So I'm going to show you. So if I copy this link here into a different browser window for a different account, I'll be able to view this folder. And as you can see, the person can view this folder with ease, right? So that's how easy it is. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, is go ahead and show you how to share it with someone specific. So if you right click on it, go down to share, hover over share and click on that. You can add an email address right here. So let's say you want to add this person here. You can put in the email address. You can choose whatever access they have. So I'm going to go ahead and easily choose that this person can edit it and just leave it as that and click on send. Now this person will be receiving email notification that I've shared this with them. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the access here from viewing. I'm gonna choose this. I'm gonna make it restricted, so anyone with this link will not be able to view it, only this person. So I'm gonna copy the link now, click and done. And if I go back to the previous account which I give the access to view it, if I try to put that link there, you realize that it's restricted. And that's how easy it is to share a folder inside your Google Drive. You can give them to a specific person, or you can go ahead and make it open so anyone can go ahead and access that. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.